Broke college students are becoming millionaires through smart investing, while everyone else stays stuck in the rat race. Here's the truth about building wealth. It's not about having money to start with. It's about having the confidence and knowledge to take calculated risks and learn from your mistakes. I left my corporate job and the security that comes with it after learning and investing in real estate. People laughed, thought I was crazy, and said it wasn't worth it. But I studied successful investors, learned the basics of the market, and most importantly, believed in my ability to succeed. The biggest obstacle isn't lack of capital. It's the voice in your head saying, you can't do it. You're not smart enough. You'll lose everything. I've been there. But every successful investor started exactly where you are. Warren Buffett bought his first stock at 11. Ray Dalio began investing with his waiter tips. The key is starting small, staying consistent, and building your knowledge along with your portfolio. Read books, follow credible investors, practice with small amounts. Your confidence will grow with every smart decision, every lesson learned, every small win. Soon you'll look back, amazed at how far you've come. If you have the ability to make money and returns for investors, capital will find you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until you have more money. Start now, start small, but most importantly, start believing in yourself. Financial freedom isn't just for the privileged few, it's for anyone willing to learn, grow, and trust in their ability to succeed. Your journey starts today.